welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily. Today I want to share with you all a little unboxing and review of my brand new Gucci bag. It's a mini Gucci Matelasse camera bag in a really pretty bubblegum pink color, and so I'm really excited to share with you all. It's super me, and as you all may know, it's still creeping towards the end of my birthday month, so this might be one of the last few splurge items I'm going to share with you all this month. So yeah, let's get right in the video and let's get started. Okay, so here she is. I always refer to all my bags as she. So she came in this beautiful dust bag, the classic white and black Gucci dust bag and such. And I actually got this from an Italian site called Il Duomo, Novara. I'll link to their site below. Here she is. It's so pretty. I'm so happy about this bag. I love the color, the bubblegum pink. And this is the mini size. So there is a mini, small, and I believe a medium out there. The mini is not as tiny as you would think from a miniature bag, so that's good, but there's a little story behind this. Like, I thought that I was getting in the small bag because on the Italian website it is a little hard with translation sometimes, I feel like, and so they called this the small bag, and the difference between the mini and the small is actually kind of big. So I ordered it and I was super excited. I thought I was getting an amazing deal, and then I double checked again and the measurements were actually the size of the mini, not the small. And so I was like, oh gosh. And then when it came, it was the mini size, and I was like, no, but I'm gonna make it work. And it was still a good deal. I'll go over all that, but I just love this color. I think this was a very popular item, and the size might have sold out throughout the US, I noticed, because I was trying to find it here and I was unable to find it, but I saw small. So maybe because this one's like the cheaper version, it goes like really fast. But I love this. And then on the back, instead of the hearts for this one, it has the GG, which I like. I think it's like a little bit more sophisticated, but I do love hearts, so either way I would have been fine with. And then this has like these little like fringe, this fringe leather on the zipper for the pulling, which is good because then there's a lot of room. But yeah, I love this color, and this model only came in silver hardware. They had this in a light, like a mint green and a light blue, and like a multicolored striped one. I'm sure you've all seen that. But I love this. I think this is a great option, and this is one of the more affordable Gucci items out there right now. Let me show you a couple ways that it can be worn. It is tiny, so it's not super versatile, but it's really pretty as a crossbody. That's my favorite way to wear it. I think this is so cute. And I know the gold hardware is more popular, but I don't feel like it makes that much of a difference. And I do mostly wear gold jewelry, but I mean, even this being like rose gold and gold, it really doesn't like make that huge of a difference. So, and I just love this bright pink color. I mean, it's not super bright pink. It's, I think, called the pastel pink. So that's nice. And then to wear it on the side too, I think that's cute. If you want to make it a little more dressy, I guess crossbody is is more casual. So that's cute on the side of the shoulder as well. And yeah, I don't think you can actually, you can't take off the straps or anything. So those are pretty much the two ways you can wear it, which is a little bit less versatile than maybe some bags, but this is your traditional camera bag, so that is usually how you would wear it. So I love that. For me, this color will go with a lot because it kind of matches my style, but I know some people are more of a fan of the more neutral one. So inside, it's beautiful suede lining. It's so nice, and it has the little Gucci logo in pink as well, and then the little serial code is down here somewhere, and all the care cards. So pretty basic camera bag. There's a lot of different versions out there by a lot of different brands, but I think this one's really cute. If you're a pink lover like me, This color is just gorgeous, and the silver hardware is pretty. It's less noticeable if it tarnishes. I know a lot of people complain sometimes about the Gucci hardware being like not super shiny and it kind of tarnishes and it looks a little like scratched or older, but I think that's less of a problem with silver. Maybe some of you all disagree, but I love it, and I love the design on the back. I just think it's really special, and there's not a lot to it. It's just like the standard small pink camera bag, but yeah, let me show you all what all fits inside as well. Okay, so I have a couple items with me to show you all what fits inside. My Michael Kors wallet that I just love because it's just so simple and goes with everything, and I can just throw it in. And this is already pushing it with this bag. It's literally almost the size of the bag, but that fits in there. And this is a pretty medium-sized wallet, so basically you'll have to use either a medium or a small size wallet. See, it takes up a lot of room, so even if you could use a card case, that would be best. I have my side pouch. I always like to have something on the side too, to throw any other random things in, like so your bag doesn't get dirty, especially with this one being suede. I actually ordered a bag organizer, not to organize it really, this is so small it doesn't need to be organized, but to keep the shape of the bag and to prevent it from getting dirty inside, especially with it being suede. So this has some of my cards inside, and like gift cards and some receipts and other things. Keys, I guess, little pouch. So I normally have a bigger pouch than this in my bag, but this one would only fit a smaller one. As you can see, I'm already struggling a bit. Okay, so there, that pouch is in as well. So it fits all that. With the pouch and that wallet being stuffed, it will not fit a phone or anything, and like my phone definitely won't fit in there. If I took out the pouch, it might fit my phone too. So it's either or. And then I have a pen. I guess if you randomly want, I don't want to like get the pen on the purse, but if you want to throw a pen in there, then I have this little like jewelry container which I carry some of my jewelry like on the go. Let's see if I move the pen over. Okay, we're struggling. Okay, that's already pushing it. That's like stuffing it completely full. So all those things. I have a very stuffed wallet though, so I'm just gonna take the pen out because I don't want it to click on the bag and get dirty. Okay, so with those three things, it fits and it closes, but it's a little hard to close. So with those two things, it fits everything. You can see now there's a little bump here, so I might not want to put that little jewelry thing in. Let me take that out. And there. So just with my wallet and my little pouch, that fits very comfortably in here. My wallet is really big, so definitely again suggest the card case or something smaller or more flat at least. But yeah, you can fit a good amount in here. I would still recommend the small, which is what I originally wanted, but you know, the small, this is about I think 7.5 inches down here, and the small I think was like 9.5 or so, or maybe even, yeah, I think about that. So there's definitely a lot more room in the small. Just imagine it being a little bit more like same concept, but just a little bit bigger than this. I think the small, if you're debating between the two, just go with those if you want something that you can hold a bunch of stuff in at least every day. And otherwise the mini is great for what I just showed you, what fits in here, but it's hard to keep everything you want for every day in this little mini bag. But it's still really cute, and I like the idea of it. I think it'll go with a lot of things, and especially if I'm just going out for like brunch and stuff, I would just take this out with me and go to lunch. And yeah, but I love this bag. And so let me tell you about the price. I got this, like I said, from the Il Duomo Novara Italian site, and there was a little bit of an issue with like sometimes the translation of things because it is Italian, direct from Italy. And they convert from euros to US dollars, so that's a whole other thing. But this was basically 826 US dollars, and then because you are buying from outside of the country, there are other taxes involved. So for one, there was a VAT tax. When you first buy it, your credit card charge will be definitely different than what you see on the site. And so after the VAT tax, I think it was about 900 bucks. And then once it comes in here, they ship through DHL, which the shipping was amazing. They had like really quick shipping. It was faster than anything I've gotten like sometimes in the US itself. So the shipping took only like 4 days from Italy to California, and I was really impressed by that. But then DHL sends you a message and they're like, you need to pay the import duties before we send the bag to your location. So then you have to go through the site and pay, and then that was another 90 bucks, I believe. So basically, after all the taxes and it being imported here, this came out to $9.90, and that's still a pretty good deal. I was hoping to save a little bit more buying from Italy directly, but it's okay. I still saved a good amount after taxes, at least in my area. Like I said, after everything, it was like 990 bucks. And then if you compare that to like Nordstrom or any US retailer, the bag here was 980 bucks before tax. So then depending where you live, you know, it'll vary, but for me it would have been like, our tax rate's basically 10% here. So I still saved about like 80 bucks or so, but going through Rakuten is gonna give you about the same deal, really. So, but if you still do want this bag, I think they're available for pre-order last time I checked. I know Nordstrom still has it, and I think Net-a-Porter and a couple other department stores do have this. And I'll leave also my referral link from Rakuten below. If you guys don't know Rakuten, they give you cash back on normal places you shop at, just like Nordstrom's or Target or anywhere, and it's just extra cash back on things you would normally buy anyways. So I would go through there definitely. Every time you want to buy anything luxury, just check on the Rakuten site and see if that store has any cash back available. And in a 1 or 2 months later, you get a check in the mail from Rakuten with your cash back. Great way to save on things you're already going to buy anyways. So that would have been my second choice because I really wanted this bag, and it saved me a little bit from the Italian site. But my second choice definitely would have been going through Rakuten and probably buying from Nordstrom or I think Saks. So just a little tip there, and I'll leave all those links down below. I definitely want you guys to save as much as possible, especially, you know, when you save to buy these luxury items and it feels really great and you just want to save as much as possible. So yeah. Okay everyone, thanks again for watching. I hope this was helpful for all of you, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. And thanks again for watching everyone. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!